Hi, today we are going to learn how to create a curated list of links on a specific topic. CM Curated List Manager lets users organize links and aggregate content around categories, displaying them as curated list. This is a great tool for content marketing and for building a WordPress knowledge base and sharing it in an engaging way. In this example use case video, we will consider how to create a curated list with links about SEO resources and articles on our site. You can apply the same idea to the topic of your site. We consider that you have already bought the plugin and installed it. The way the plugin works is in the following. First, create a list, one or more. Second, create categories and add them to needed lists. Third, add links to categories. Fourth, use a shortcode to display specific list or specific category on any page or post. And the last, optionally add tags and assign them to links. Before creating lists, categories and adding links, you can configure your plugin according to your needs. Appearance of the curated list, what should be displayed, how filters should work and some more options. The process of building a curated list starts by adding a new list. Navigate to Curated List Manager Pro, Lists. The process of creating a new list is really simple. On the left part of the screen you can see the form where you need to write a name and description. You can also write a slug, but it can be generated automatically from the name. Then click Add New List button. On the right part of the screen you can see the list of created lists, where you can edit or delete them. Next you need to add categories to the curated list. Navigate to Curated List Manager Pro, Categories. On the left part of the screen you can see the form where you need to fill the data. Adding a new category is almost the same easy as adding new list. You need to input name, the category name. Slug. You can write it or leave empty, as it can be generated automatically from the name. Parent category. Assign a parent term to create a hierarchy. Description. Description of the category. Category link. Clicking on the category header will direct the user to this link. Lists. Select the list the category belongs to. The category can belong to many lists. If there are no lists, then you need to create them first. Color. Change the category background color. Category view access. Choose which users can view the category. Then click Add New Category button. On the right part of the screen you can see the list of created categories that you can edit or delete. Now it's time to add links to the category. Navigate to Curated List Manager Pro, Links. Here again, on the left part of the screen you can see the form for filling the data about the link. So you need to fill here the following fields. Name. The name is how it appears on your site. Subtitle. The subtitle is displayed under the name. Description. Not shown in many themes, but will show as a tooltip. URL. The destination URL. Attachments. You can add up to 3 additional links. You can change the link box colors from the plugin settings. They will accompany an icon depending on the file extension. Here you can choose URL of attachment, where this additional link will direct to, the name of link to attachment, the title that will be displayed, upload file, the URL to file to be uploaded from your media library, add attachment, adding 2 more additional links, video URL, add YouTube or Vimeo URL with each link. The video size is specified in the plugin appearance options. Image URL. Add an image URL with each link. The image size is specified in the plugin appearance options. Category. Select 1 or more categories for each link to organize them. Tags. Can be selected to organize further and provide more information about the link. Show checkbox. This option shows a checkbox next to the individual link that allows users to mark visited address. Date. Set the date that will be displayed under the link. Can be used for the links that are dedicated to some events, for example. Then click Add New Link. On the right part of the screen you can see the list of created links that you can edit or delete. The same way we can add some more links to the category. There is one more really simple way how you can add links to categories using Bookmarklet. Navigate to Curated List Manager Pro, Options. You can find Add this URL bookmarklet above the options. Just drag it to your bookmarks bar. Now, when you need to add new links to the plugins list, simply open the page you want to add and click on Add this URL bookmark. Fill all needed information and click on Add new link button to finish. If you want to use part of content from adding page as description, just select interesting part of text before using bookmarklet. Description will be filled with selected text. Along with categories and subcategories, tags are another way to organize links and add important information. Readers are able to search for specific tags in the curated list to easily find what interests them. To create and manage tags, navigate to Curated List Manager Pro, Tags. As usual, on the left part of the screen you can see the form for adding the data. You need just give a name for the tag and choose the color. Slug can be generated automatically from the name. Then click the Add New Tag button. And on the right part of the screen you can see the list of created tags that you can edit or delete. You can create a tag New and configure that every link would automatically have that tag for definite period of time, and the tag would disappear when the time passes. To do this, navigate to Curated List Manager Pro, Options. Choose that tag and choose the duration. When we created lists, categories and added links, we need to display it all on the front end. For that, we need to put a shortcode that you can see on the screen, on the page or post. This shortcode will display all lists and categories that we've created. You can further specify what content to show from the list. This is done by using the following parameters: list, category and tag. Note that in every case the slug is used and not the name of the list, category or tag. You can use many comma-separated parameters at the same time, as they work like filters. Let's see the result on the front end. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create a curated list with links on your site. Thanks for watching the video.